Hey guys, it's Ronnie here again. Another MantleMount install we're doing. So I've got everything laid out here, and we have our TV here. I'll go ahead and show you. We got our instruction manual, because always follow instructions. And this is our mantle way up here, and we'll be bringing the TV down lower to the seating position on the couch. So if you'll stay tuned and follow along, I'll show you as I'm putting it together. Thanks, stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Ronnie. We just finished up with this MantleMount. So just to show you kind of, as in the first one that we, if you watched our videos, you've seen us. This one, we did a little bit more play with it just because the mantle doesn't stick out as far, and it'll still allow us to pull it down, swivel it all the way, either direction. Let's say you have it turned and you actually go to put it up. While it's turned, it'll push itself back to straight as it sucks back up to there. So, it's another cool way to, mount your TV and still utilize, being able to see it without cranking your head up too high. So that's it on the MantleMount, but we did a few other things here as well. We'll go take a look real fast. So in here, we have another TV we hang in their master bedroom for them. So we'll go upstairs and we'll show you the other two real fast. All right, and these are the two kids' bedrooms upstairs. And we just did a little small Vizio TV in here with a cable box back behind it. So if we come back over here, and we have this upstairs landing, forgot about this one. We actually took this one from the living room, and now it's up here. So any ideas on ways to mount your TVs, we can come up with a lot of different ideas, from ceiling mount, cantilever mount, you name it. We can come up with ideas to mount your TV. We have all the solutions. Thanks, have a great choice day.